Hi there, welcome. Today we will learn how to install Windows Subsystem for Linux or WSL. First, let me show you by typing Windows key on my keyboard and typing CMD, pressing enter and then typing WSL-L here as you can clearly see Ubuntu. Now, what is the procedure for uninstallation? Type Windows, then going to Settings, clicking on Apps. Here you can type Ubuntu, click on Uninstall. It will take a while. After this, type Windows, and if you find something like Windows Subsystem for Linux or Windows Subsystem for Linux update, just press it and uninstall it. If you want to install anything, you can install anything from this apps and feature. Next step will be again pressing Windows key and typing turn Windows feature on or off. Here, uncheck the Windows hyperversion platform, then uncheck the WSL or Windows Subsystem for Linux, and if you are using Windows 11, there you find Hypervisor V. Uncheck that also and then press OK. After this, the system will be prompted for restart. After restarting your system, your WSL will finally get installed. To verify this, type Windows, then CMD, then again typing WSL-L, and if you see like this means that your WSL is finally get installed. If you find this video informative, then please like and comment for more such content. Please subscribe to this Crush on Tech channel.